Hey guys, my name's Jake. I'm a sales and leasing consultant here at Steet Toyota of Johnstown. Today I'm just going to walk you through how to connect your phone to your Bluetooth and use Apple CarPlay. So first, you're going to come into your interface. You're going to press Settings. It's going to give you another option for Bluetooth and devices. We're going to select this. Then it's going to prompt you to search for devices. So now when your Toyota Tundra pops up, we're going to select the Toyota Tundra. It's going to prompt you here on the screen. You're going to agree, pair with your phone as well, allow contacts and favorites to sync. We're going to allow pairing requests. Now it's going to prompt you for their Apple CarPlay. We're going to press yes on the screen, and we're also going to connect here on my phone. Once we're done with that, you're all set and you're connected to Apple CarPlay. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you guys are experiencing any issues or you need any help getting your phone connected, please come down or give us a call and let us show you why it's so easy to do business at Steet Toyota of Johnstown.